What's up everybody, it's me Sergio, I'm with Mobility Direct, and today we're gonna go over a product that's not even on the market yet. We have the exclusive access to the Gypsy Q8. This scooter is soon going to be on the market, probably towards the end of this year, beginning of next year, 2025. It's a folding scooter with some unique features that no other folding scooters have, and we're putting this video out there to ask you, our fan base, our subscribers, what you think about it, what you like, what you don't like, what you'd like to see in it. And again, this is not out yet. We don't have official specs, so we're just going to tell you what we know, which is very limited information. So this, again, the Gypsy Q8 by EV Rider. EV Rider's here right in our backyard. They have an awesome and very impressive facility. They do warranty claims very quickly. They have parts readily available, and they build really high quality products. The best thing is they get our back and our customers back when we need them. When we need to file a warranty claim, when we need help, whether it's a weekend, after hours, we can call and we get answers and we get support for our customers. So I always recommend an EV Rider product. Now, before I get any further, I do want to tell you about our free product catalog. If you don't already have a copy, make sure you claim a copy. It has our latest products, discount codes, and more. If you want a copy, go to our website, mobilitydirect.com. Click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog. Fill out the simple short form that you're seeing on the screen, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You could also just call the number below if you'd like to speak with our friendly non-commissioned sales experts. Ask them for a copy, give them your address. They'll mail you one, or click on the top right-hand corner of the screen where it says get free catalog. It'll take you right to the form. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you a few things about this that make it unique. Number one, I haven't seen a single folding mobility scooter on the market with a seat that rotates, okay? That may not seem like a big deal, but there's a lever right here, and this seat rotates 360 degrees. So when you wanna pull up to a table and not have the steering assembly and handlebars in front of you in the way, you can rotate the seat backwards and pull up to a dinner table and have probably one of the most comfortable seats in the house. So that's one unique thing about it that I'm pretty impressed by. The armrests do flip back, and to remove the seat, you flip the armrest back, grab this lever, and pick straight up. So you can see it has your standard kind of seat platform. A lot of scooters have that, but then it also has this little ring around it with the locking holes on the side for that pin to grab into, and that's how it's gonna rotate. Pretty neat. Really quick guys, before we get further into this video, I do want to tell you that you should pay attention towards the end of this video. There's going to be a hidden message on the screen. And if you find that hidden message, you can learn how to get a secret discount code. So if you are interested in purchasing any scooter on our website, you can save big. Not only that, we offer tax-free sales and free shipping. Let's get back to the video. Something else that is pretty impressive, okay? It's going to have the lithium battery with your TSA friendly low range option. It's a 25.2 volt battery, 10 amp hours, 240 watt hours, 249. So TSA friendly. You can most likely upgrade this to an extended range battery, but that extended range battery won't work in the airplanes, which is pretty standard with most of the folding scooters, travel friendly scooters. So you take the battery out, and then you use these little yellow action pins and levers to unlock the platform. It's gonna fold down. Now here's where the magic happens, okay? You've got a really low profile here, but the length of the scooter sometimes can be an issue, right? So a lot of people need a compact area to put their scooter in the trunk because they have a smaller vehicle. Well, this is a pretty standard size scooter, so the length can actually be reduced. Check this out, guys. Bam! This thing literally has like a sliding rail system, and I just shaved off like 4 or 5 inches on the overall length of the scooter, making it extremely compact. And not only that, the basket, I'm gonna pull it off just like any basket, slides right out, and they have a nice little collapsing folding basket now. So this basket takes a very, very narrow, compact shape. The other thing about this scooter, for a folding scooter, not many scooters allow you to tilt the tiller handlebar assembly. So if you're sitting on the scooter and you want to bring the handlebar closer to you, You can adjust the tilting angle here, but not only that, you bring it all the way down, and check this out. But wait, there's more. This is really impressive, okay? When you're ready to transport this, you see this little rubber foot right here? Check it out. I'm gonna grab it by the back handle here, and it's gonna stand up, okay? That's not even the impressive part. Here's the handle I use to pick it up, right? Check this out. There's a handle here, yellow action lever. Usually anything that's yellow means if you use it, it's gonna do something. Well, this is gonna do something, all right. Look at this. So now you've got trolley mode, and I could wheel this thing around the airport on my way to Europe, Germany, Australia, wherever I'm gonna go. And honestly, I haven't seen that. So it's got the trolley mode handle, okay, that's unique. It's got the tilt adjustable tiller on a folding scooter with a really nice headlight. I'm gonna show that to you. I'm not 100% sure of the weight capacity, but my guess is it's gonna be around 260 to 300 pounds. Guess what? USB charging port there. Charge your cell phone on the go. On the other side, you've got your regular charging port, so you don't have to bend down low. You do also have a charging port on the battery case itself. All right, so at this point, you could just pull forward on the tiller neck here at the base, and that foot platform is going to expand open. By the way, before I go any further, if you want to show your appreciation for our content, if you're enjoying the content, hopefully you are, please consider subscribing and leaving a comment. If you have any questions, if you post them in the comment section, we reply to every comment within 1 business day. Not only that, by subscribing and leaving a comment, you could win a free mobility scooter. That's right. We choose random subscribers that comment all the time, and we give them a free powered mobility product. So if you want a chance to win a free powered mobility product like the last few winners you're seeing on the screen now, take a moment to subscribe and comment. It's free. All right, let's go ahead and continue on. So the seat platform now needs to come up, and all we really need to do is engage these little yellow levers here, and once it's unlocked, you pull straight up, and it's gonna lock into place. Now what I'm gonna do is just drop the battery in, nose in first towards the front. Nice little handle. There is a charging port on the battery pack as well, so you can charge it down low. Gonna go ahead and put the seat back on. Just line up the male connection point with the female connection point and drop her in. And make sure it's locked by trying to rotate it. The armrest, you basically have to push in here on the right side in order to flip them up and flip them back down. So you do have the flip back backrest and the flip up armrests. Super nice overall. Now check this out. One of the things that I really like about it is the dash. So the dash has kind of got all these cool little lights that show up here. We're gonna turn this flash off to help you see them better. You see you've got your speed mode. So if you hit the minus sign, it's gonna limit the top speed, kind of like a speed control dial that you see on most scooters. And then the battery meter's on top. So there's one green light already off as you use the scooter. These green lights will turn off one at a time, starting from the right, then the yellow, then the red, letting you know that your battery's dying. You do have a horn button here. And check out the headlight on this thing. Pretty bright. Not bad. So the throttle system, like most scooters nowadays, you do have the single-handed use, pull back or push forward to go forward and back with the right, or push forward to go forward, pull back to go back with the left. Single-handed use, nice little wraparound kind of bicycle style grip here, ergonomic grip, really, really nice. So again, the folding basket is included for free, and all you have to do is get this clip out of the way, unfold it, and then on the inside, push the base down for the bottom part of the flooring of the basket till it clicks into place. There's a little slot here with the hook on the front, and then just line it up and push down, you're in. That's it. So again, this is the Gypsy Model Q8, soon to be released, currently in user feedback kind of stages and doing some preliminary last few minute touches to see how it can be better improved before it hits the market. We're super excited. I'm about 6 foot. I have a size 12 shoe, about 200 pounds, and I feel pretty comfortable. You do have that reverse beeper. Some people love that, some people hate it. But overall, we're really interested to know what you think. So if you like what you see, or if you don't, either way, let us know in the comments section below. We plan on getting this as soon as it's available and making some more in-depth review videos for now. This has been a sneak peek. I hope you enjoyed the sneak peek, and make sure that you subscribe so that you can get notified when we release new videos just like this one. I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. Until next time, have a great day.